Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer here, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Want to do a video walkthrough on this Southport 280 center console, 28 center console, 28 center console. Coming up here at the helm, let's start here real quick. Garmin displays, two multi-function displays. We've got chart plotter pulled up here. It's got sounder with clear view, side view, also has radar, so updated electronics. Here in the center you got autopilot. It's also linked into the engines, so you can go here, pull up your engine info, and then we got a nice Mercury vessel view display. You can tell I got 206 hours on it now. New switches. This whole panel's been reworked, obviously, but including up-to-date switches. Spinning around, got twin Mercury engines in it. You can tell the new model Mercury's. Just going around on the bolsters. Both sides of the bolster pads look good. This backrest on the leaning post looks great. I've got some UV damage here on the seat rest. Next owner's probably going to want to get that knocked out. So updated helm, obviously newer engines, 210 hours or so. Coming around, these bolster pads have been replaced too. They show no signs of wear, no signs of sun damage, no rips or tears. I'm going to open this huge fish box up for you. It is a ton of room for obviously fish or storage. Put a cushion on top of it. Got an awesome backrest and lounge seat. Got index storage here. You can see from the photos, but the anchor windlass through pipe was removed. The motor itself is still on board. I'm not sure if that works or not, but current owner never used the windlass and just had that look cleaned up there. Coming down into the console, I've got a head here, just primarily used for storage, but there is a head in the console if need be. Got some rod holders down in the base. Good size console here. Coming up, got flare on the Garmin system, so you got the thermal imaging camera. Got storage on both sides here. Good under gunnel storage, wash down there. Back in this back area, that's where your battery switches are stored. Then you've got some flip up storage here on the back. Guys, thanks for taking the time. Oh, I forgot to show you this. Southports have huge live wells, so if you're a live bait fisherman, this is a really good round shaped live well. And then take a look at the bilge. There's that transducer I was telling you about that's going to give you all the different views with the Garmin package. Guys, this is obviously an older boat with newer motors, but for the age of the boat, it's in really good shape. A lot of updates done. This owner helped him sell boats in the past, and he always does a good job keeping them up. They're always nicer when he sells them than the majority of the boats on the market. And I expect this one to, from the appearance and knowing this owner, I expect it to be a good boat for the next owner as well. Guys, thanks for taking the time to watch the video. If you have any questions about this boat or any others, give us a shout, 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Walking back up to the bow. These Southports are known for a huge dead rise, large bow, great riding boat. And standing here on the boat in on the trailer, you can really feel the size of it. And I guess another way to say it, this is a big 28-foot center console. So let me know if you have any questions. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.